Talk about today's build. Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. What is this? Oh, hey. Woo. Oh, oh my gosh, I had a buffalo egg sandwich this morning and I had buffalo sauce on my thumb finger and I just put it in my eye. That'll wake you up. Don't need coffee in the morning, just throw some buffalo sauce in your eye. Holy. Woo. Alright, so let's talk about today's build. I'm pumped. Actually for Mike. So this is a slightly tiered higher version of what our new Elite's going to be. That's in this system today. Typically, we're going to be using all EVGA, all crucial components, and all of our Elites. It's got a little bit of a twist on that. We're using a Thermaltake power supply. So we're building our Elite system today, which is a 5800X and a 3070. Got the beautiful EK water blocks, 360mm AIO. It's got 6 RGB fans, it's got braided cables, it's got 32 gigabytes of 3600 megahertz CL16 RAM. It is freaking beautiful. I can't wait to you guys see this. It's gorgeous. It's coming in at $25.99 shipped for this system. Mike's a little bit higher tier, so he paid a little bit more because he has the FTW3 Ultra, which is going in the system today. Typically, it's going to be it's have just the Ultra or the black card, which are within like $5 difference. So he has the higher tiered graphics card. He has the highest 3070 possible in his system today. Obviously, we're partnering with Crucial. These are all Crucial components. They're made by Micron. Really good stuff. Really enjoy their stuff. I would have liked to do Team. Team's not really responsive. I was thinking about doing Team RAM. But I wanted to do, I actually really like Crucial stuff lately. Everything I've been benchmarking with Crucial stuff, man, it's been phenomenal. The 3200 megahertz RAM and all of our core systems, we're using 3200 megahertz and they're benchmarking the 80th percentile, and they're using 3200 megahertz. The 3600 megahertz is benchmarking the 95th to the 100th percentile. It's kicking ass. So we're gonna continue to use Crucial stuff. Which I'm sure the social media team is like, it's not really like high looking, like fancy, anything like that. The RGB, if anything I could say, there's one thing I wish RGB they would do is their RGB look a little bit nicer. A little bit nicer. Like it looks almost like a cradle like her end right now. And that's, I think that's what Schmo calls it. He calls it the cradle or RGB. Because when it has like the little like indentations on the RGB sticks, it looks like it's like the old school Crayola crayons. Whoo. Parts buffet is all up in your face. All right, so let's talk about, are we done? I think we have one or two more. I think we're good. All right. The parts buffet up there. So let's talk about today's build. Oh my gosh. All right, today's build. All right, talk about today's build. Today's build is going to be our new Signature Series system. It's our Elite AMD system. It features the Ryzen 5 5800X. It's an 8-core CPU. We've got 32 gigabytes of Crucial 3600 megahertz CL16 RAM. We've got a Crucial P2 drive going in there, 1 terabyte. It's all going on the beautiful ROG Strix B550 gaming F motherboard. We're cooling this with the EK AIO 360 DRGB CPU liquid cooler. That's seen right there on the bottom left hand. It is a beautiful, beautiful cooler. For power, we're powering this today with the Toughpower. Typically, all of our systems will be powered with EVGA. Before these came in, when Michael ordered his system, we only had Toughpower in stock. EVGAs are coming in stock now. They're both pretty similar in terms of spec. Both have 10-year warranties. Fantastic power supplies. For all of our Signature Series systems, we're going to have EVGA. And then we've got the beautiful FTW3 3070 going in there. And then we've got some braided cables on top, which you don't see. You can actually see from the top right up here. Right up there. We got some easy DIY braided cables going in there. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be an awesome build. It's gonna look really, really good. If you like RGB, you're gonna like it. If you like, it's gonna look blacked out when you look at it, then when it turns on, flips the switch. It's gold in your face. So let's get ready to start building. It's gonna be about an hour and a half today to build the system. He paid more for the this card. This card's a little bit more than what's going in our other system, and the power supply it's going in a little different, so the price has changed. But Mike's is really nice. I mean, this is a little bit of an upgraded Elite system. You just have the Ultra card or the Black card, which is except within $5 difference. This is a bigger upgrade. Do anything for Easter? Spend time with family. Try hunts for the kiddos, you know, just good family time. I might smoke some chicken wings to have with our Easter dinner. We'll see. We'll see. I just feel like the taste of the smoke you just can't replicate in any kind of crock pot or pressure cooker. It's so hot in here. I gotta put the fan on, guys. I feel like I can feel the heat. Oh, I've got the heat gun. I brought the heat gun in. Oh, I can tell you how hot it is in here now. All right, ready? We're gonna do a heat test. On my desk, 78 degrees. On the ceiling, it is 84, 82, 90 degrees, 88 degrees. I'm not even kidding. Our ceiling. Can you guys see this? Love the case. Yeah, it's a beautiful case. Same case we have. We have it in white. We love it. Schmel has this one in black. Probably one of the best bang for buck cases. The GPUs are getting a little better. 3070s are pretty good. 3070s are great. 3060s are okay. 3060 Ti's are rough. 3080s are a little rough. Honestly, the best car, one of the best bang, the three best car. 3060 Ti is great. I like the 3070 a little bit more. I like the 3080 a lot. I like the 3060 a lot. The 3060 Ti is good. People say it's like the best bang for buck because it's really close to a 3070. But you overclock the 3070 really, really good. You get the 3070 close to a 3080 without the VRAM. So, I like the 3070 personally more than the 3060 Ti. On the 3060, you can get pretty darn close to 3060 Ti, and you have more VRAM. So it's a double-edged sword. So we don't sell a lot of 3060 Ti's. We have them, but you do get more performance. You can overclock that too more than the 3060. So it's like it's a never-ending battle, you know. The 3060 Ti's are probably that, and the 3080s are hardest to get right now. The 3060s are good. We're getting those pretty much every other day. 3070s we can pretty much get almost every day. They made a lot of 3070s. They've been stocking on 3070s the best, which is great because I love them. So there's no rattle. Good, nice, secure, awesome. Here, as a close up, I love this motherboard in this case. It just looks really sharp. The Intel mounts are a lot nicer than sometimes the AMD, because the AMDs are not exactly identical all the way across. They're a little different, and Intel is symmetrical. So AMD has this like little off-centered axis, off-centered mounting. Stress on that there. Alright, time to drink. Fantastic. Those cables are so hidden up there. Look at you didn't see the AIO cables at all. Look how clean that is. I'm always thinking away, like, how can we make this even cleaner? How can we make this cleaner? How can I make this cleaner? Well, you can't even see the AIO in there. We're just wiring all the RGB, then we're going to be putting in the thick boy. Give me a second, guys. This is all the RGB cables I'm doing down here. I don't know if you can see them. I'm pretty much wiring all the 5-volt RGB. So it's all in one loop. All the RGB will all be uniform no matter what. So let's say that they're like doing a reboot and it's just hardware RGB before the software kicks in, like Orison kicks in. It'll all be in the same loop. So when it's on different loops, you get different colors all the way on every, and it just looks funky. Now it's all in one set loop. That's some cable management chat right there. Whew. A lot of RGB cables. We have 12 wires for RGB and for little zip ties. Well, zip tie action on this one there, guys. It looks pretty. So gonna put braided cables in. Gonna put the thick boy. Time for the graphics card. There's that. Get the GPU out. The CPU air cooler that you use depends on the system. The best one's probably honestly my favorite is either the Dark Rock Pro, which you only need on like 8 cores or above. 6 cores of Vitru V5 is really good. But if you want 8 cores or above, probably if you're doing 8 cores or above, you're gonna want like the Enermax TS50, the Dark Rock 4 or Dark Rock Pro. The Noctuas are good. Those are like $120 coolers versus the Vitru, which is like $35. That's a 3070 monster. Whew. I think that thing's big. That's the size of a 3080. Like that's why I like this card. I want to only offer the best cards. EVGA makes the best 3070. EVGA makes the best 3080. The EVGA. I can't say it enough. There it is. There it is. You heard that font. It's a chomp, dude. That's in there good though. These B550 Strix boards have fantastic GPU support on the PCI slot. Yeah, this is going to be this is mirror system. The only difference is on the Ultra card versus the FTW3, which is just a little bit thinner. This is a little underperforming, not versus this card. Maybe just a tad bit lower FPS, and it's going to go for $25.99. This is a little more expensive. Braided cable add-on, stuff like that. But so we just rearranged the back of this really nicely. So we'll be able to run over the top like he wants, and they're gonna go right underneath the braided cable, which is tucked behind the back of the GPU, which hides the USB 3 wire as well. So there we go. Look at that. It goes right underneath the other braided cables. We are done with the Elite system. Oh, there's the front of it. Looks gorgeous. You see how I mean all those cables? The cables are super clean. See how they're tucked over the top underneath the braided cable? Looks really sharp. Then on the back, the cable management was a pain, but we did it. There's the back. Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.